Hello everybody, I'm your host like always, and these are all my favorite games. And one of my favorite games is Clash of Clans, and we are hard working to be a legend or to gain anything in those games, but few people are creating hacked versions. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing how to hack all the games, but please don't hack it. It's a precaution, and I'm not gonna download it. I tried to download it, but something struck my mind. Why am I downloading it? Am I cheat or something? And some glitches happened, so I just cancelled it the next moment. Today I'm gonna showing you one of those hacking websites, but please don't yell at me. There we land in android1.com, and I'll show it from the first and when you open this, it will come like this. You need to click the search button, put any game. Just now you saw Clash of Clans. Just put let's put Brawl Stars or Free Fire, games like that. Click that. After clicking, the stats will come. Who created the game? Supercell. Updated size, installments, rated 4. And this button is the worst in the history. When you click this, it will not start it. It will land you in this page, and something will come like this. And if you click the download button, it will give a precaution to you that glitches may happen in your device if you install this. Please don't. It will come like that or something like that. And after you install, the glitches will happen and you'll become a cheater, and the original game will be destroyed, and everyone will be playing this hacked version, and a person who created this website will get richer, and Supercell company will be banished. So please don't install these things, guys. Please don't, guys. So this is it for today's video. Thank you, guys. Please don't install it.